Bonjour, fart faces. Je m'appelle Bev, and that's the extent of my French. Today we have an unbagging from Tinmi Arts. Just to be clear, I have unbagged this before to look at it for myself, but I'm going to take a closer look at it with you guys. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I upload new videos on a regular basis all about diamond painting tools, diamond painting accessories, everything. So let's get started. So this is a very soft canvas. I don't have a diamond painting from Tinmi Arts, but everyone said that their canvases are super soft, and like, yeah, this is pretty soft. I could rub this against my face and it would feel really nice. I could use it as a washcloth maybe, but I don't want to. So here we have our drills. They come in little bags like that. Here is a number. I don't know what this number is for. And here is our diamond painting. It's kind of wrinkly. I wasn't storing it that nicely, so it's wrinkly. It measures 50 by 40. I'm just gonna roll it backwards. I've had this for a while and I just kept meaning to unbox it, but I totally forgot. So here we go. All these wrinkles you see on here is the plastic. It's not actually the glue. Let me just fix it. The canvas is wrinkly because of the way I was storing it. Again, sorry, as I would say. Sorry, I'm Canadian, eh? Sorry. Sorry. It says Tinmi Arts at the top here. You have this schematic on the left hand side and on the bottom side, again measuring 50 by 40. We can take a closer look at the thumbnail. It's pretty little night beach scene, and at the bottom we have the Tinmi Arts website. Interesting. So they have two websites, one with an S and one without the S, and then diamondartcraft.com. I've never been there before. I ordered this through AliExpress, the Tinmi Arts account on AliExpress, so I've never been to their website, but I'll have to check them all out. If they all go to the same place, who knows. So we can take a quick look at the drill field again. I'm just gonna kind of make this more presentable for you. That's good enough, whatever. I'm not too worried about it. So the drill field is very clear. Look at all this color blocking too. So there's the moon. Here's a tree. Here's some flowers. There's waves in the ocean. Yeah, everything looks clear to me. It doesn't look like anything will be confusing. You shouldn't need a light pad to complete this. I really like the look of this canvas. The only thing is there are training wheels or dummy circles. I like to call them training wheels because I feel like dummy circles is mean. So there are training wheels. So basically it's the black outline around the symbol, which is like not a big deal as long as the drills actually cover them. So if you don't line up your drills properly, you'll actually be able to see the black line when you're done your diamond painting, which is why I don't like the training circles. But if you're new to diamond painting, it will make it tons easier for you to lay down your drills and straighten them out. So here is the color chart. And as you can see, we have 28 colors, so not too shabby. Let's take a look at the drills. Where is the opening to this bag? Where is it? I found it. Okay. So my pet peeve with drills, and if you've seen my Mary's Diamonds unboxings, is that they're not connected. So these are all 798, 798. These are all the same color, but they're not actually connected. So when you go to kit up, you're going to have to make piles of your drills to put all the colors in one area, which is like really annoying. I wish that they were connected, but they are not. And apparently this little number, so I've learned from you guys. Thank you so much for the comments on my videos. This little number actually explains the weight of the bag, and that's how many drills there are in this bag, or bags of drills within this bag, or something like that. So this little number right here, the 5, that's the weight of the bag. That's interesting to know. We have some nice colors here. Oh, wait, there's ABs. Oh my goodness. I had no idea. So, is this the same? There's some ABs. So 138. These are ABs, and they're Aurora Borealis. You can see they have this special coating on them that makes them extra shiny or just sparkle differently. That's really neat. Okay, maybe I should have paid more attention while I was unboxing it, but at least we discovered that now, so we can go back and see where they are located on the canvas. They look like they're good. They look like they're good quality. I mean, it's really hard to screw up rounds. There's the colors. I'm not going to take them all out because I can't show you a drill train because they're not connected like a train. The end. Let's put these drills away, and then let's take a look to see if we can spot those ABs on the canvas. So, the AB is 138, which is T, and we see T, 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 T. Where is that T? Oh, okay. So this color here, this whole color blocking area, those are all T's. So this is all going to be that special AB. Here's more down here. A little bit over here. And that's it. So yeah, really one big spot, and like some in the sky here, but really one big spot where those ABs are going to go. That's really nice. And again, the wrinkles aren't the canvas or the glue. It's actually just the cover and me storing it incorrectly. Sorry. I'll put a link to their website below if you want to check out Tinmi Arts. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and you like this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!